Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can learn English using ChatGPT. For instance, you want to get like 5 phrases in English. Give me or 10 unique phrases in English. So ChatGPT will give you the phrases as well as the explanation as well. If you don't understand what they mean in your language, you can just say translate it to, for instance, Indonesian. And then it will translate the meaning, but it won't translate this, so you can kind of practice the words. You can also ask it to correct your grammar. For instance, can you correct my grammar? Okay, the sentence, I have to be grammatically incorrect for this. What do people do a lot? Hello, this is not, hello, I'm going to swimming. Ugh, that's horrible. I'm going to swimming on the pool tomorrow morning. And obviously it's going to change to, hello, I'm going swimming in the pool tomorrow morning. This is the correct version, and then the changes ChatGPT made, and it will also give you an explanation on the correct grammar for it. So yeah, you can also like maybe can we have maybe like give me some exercises, some English language exercises or something like that. And then here there's fill in the blanks. She lives in New York. We met at the park yesterday. I will call you in the evening. The gift is for my best friend. They are going to the cinema tonight. Then sentence correction. You're going to correct the grammar, also match the words, etc., etc. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. They can ChatGPT can also check. For instance, here she lives in New York, I think. We met at the park yesterday. I will call you in the evening. The gift is for my best friend. They are going to the cinema tonight. Then correct this one, maybe. Okay. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.